Hello my YouTube friends. Today I'm going to share with you this new cactus I got from Home Depot, and one of them is a very big cactus plant with 4 plants in it, but one got bad. So I asked the manager to reduce the price, and excuse me, it's $25. You can see, and he gave me $15. So right now I'm going to repot it and make this separate, because I don't know if it is still savable or not. So first I'm gonna separate this one. Yeah, it's get rotten. Whole root area is rotten. So I'll have to cut it and see if I can save it. I'll maybe have to separate these 3 in 3 different. I have to unpart it and see, is it 3 different plant or is it one plant make 3 branch. So I'll do that later. Now let's cut this. Okay, to cut, I'll first spray some alcohol in the knife, wipe it. I'm holding this with tongue, kitchen tongue. I separate this piece from this piece. So this part is still good and healthy. Here is the turmeric powder. I'm gonna sprinkle. Now I'm gonna leave this like this 2-3 days, and it has to get healed, dry and healed. It will get like a layer of skin. After that, I'll part it and see if it is roots. If it is roots comes out. So now I'll leave this here. Now let's see these ones. Unpart this. Okay, so I'm going to repart this small one that I cut the rotten part. It's dry now. And I have regular garden soil here. Garden soil, peat moss and sand. So all these three ingredients I mix to make cactus mix. Whenever you go to Home Depot to buy cactus and palm tree potting mix, this is it. It's in there. The sand 1 part, peat moss 1 part, and regular soil 1 part. Part this one and this part. This one in this part. This is my rooting powder. And I'm gonna dip the bottom part in there. I put a little bit of powder in here because it's spiky. Okay, you can see the rooting powder is in the healing part. I cut and put turmeric powder, and his is healed completely. I keep about a week like this, and now I'm gonna part it. I'm not going to water anything right now. I'm going to leave it like this for a week, and then maybe I'll sprinkle little bit of water. Okay, so I plant one. I'm gonna plant these two. And this one. Very spiky. Okay. No. Hey, no. I need a little more soil. New baby is very mischievous. We rescued this baby cat from regional garden. We went to walk in the regional garden, and I found he's starving there. Somebody dropped him. I don't know why they breed them and then they abandon them. No. Are you gonna let me work? Spencer. Spencer. He's very naughty. He's a baby, that's why. He's 4 months old. Okay, so all 4 of them got parted. So this one is the baby one that was rotten I got, and these 3 is healthy, but it's too many in one pot, crowded. So see. All of them are parted. Now I'm going to leave it like this for a week, and then I'll water, because the soil have a little bit moisture. And remember last week I put water in the bottom, and it soaks overnight all of the water. So this is it for now. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.